Assalamualaikum. I'm Sufiyyah from 2GF, and today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade lemang without bamboo. The ingredients are glutinous rice, coconut milk, banana leaf, salt, and paper cups. These are the steps. Firstly, rinse the cups with water to make sure it's clean. Secondly, place the banana leaves over an open flame to make it smooth. Ask an adult for help. We will be putting the banana leaves into the cups. So cut the banana leaves and roll it until it can fit into the cup. Then put the glutinous rice into the cup. Next, mix the coconut milk with some salt and water. And pour it into the cup. After that, place all the cups inside the steamer. Make sure to steam it until it is cooked thoroughly. This is how it looks like when it is almost done. Ta-da! Homemade lemang without bamboo. You can eat it with beef rendang, chicken rendang, and peanut sauce.
Thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Have fun trying!